The Sun, the star at the center of our solar system, and is by far the most important celestial body for life on Earth. It is a nearly perfect spherical ball of hot plasma with internal convective motion that generates a magnetic field via a dynamo process. The Sun is the ultimate source of energy for all life on Earth, as well as for the planets in our solar system. It provides the warmth that drives our weather and climate, and its magnetic field protects our planet from harmful cosmic rays and charged particles that would otherwise strip away our atmosphere. Without the Sun, life as we know it would not be possible. But did you know that the Sun sometimes pops some of its energetic particles in its surface? This space phenomenon is called a solar storm. Solar storms, also known as coronal mass ejections or CMEs, are bursts of energetic particles and magnetic fields that originate from the Sun's corona. These storms are one of the most significant sources of space weather, and their effects can be felt across the entire solar system. But what does that mean for our planet Earth? And what will happen if we get caught in its way? We're Mindful Moments, and let's talk science from microscopic organisms to the biggest black hole found in the universe. Let's explore the wonders of the Sun and its activities. But before all that, click that red subscribe button and follow us on our journey in discovering and exploring the captivating realm of science, technology, conspiracies, and the universe. Solar storms occur when the magnetic field lines on the Sun's surface become twisted and stretched, eventually snapping and releasing a large amount of energy into space. This energy travels as a CME, a massive cloud of charged particles that can travel at speeds of up to 3,000 kilometers per second. When a CME collides with the Earth's magnetic field, it can cause a geomagnetic storm, which can disrupt communication systems, power grids, and even cause auroras. It can be incredibly powerful and have the potential to cause significant damage to Earth. While most solar systems do not pose a threat to the planet, extreme solar storms can burn the Earth in mere seconds. These events can release huge amount of energy in the form of radiation and high-speed particles. One of the earliest recorded observations over solar systems date back to September 1, 1859, known as the Carrington Event. During this event, astronomer Richard Carrington observed a large solar flare on the Sun's surface that resulted in a major geometric storm on Earth. Telegraphic lines were disrupted and auroras were seen as far south as Cuba and Hawaii. If a similar event were to occur today, the effects could be much more widespread and severe, as our dependence on technology has increased significantly since then. In the years that followed, scientists continued to observe and study solar storms, leading to a better understanding of their causes and effects. In 1958, the Explorer 1 satellite detected the first evidence of the Van Allen radiation belts, which were found to be caused by the interaction between the Earth's magnetic field and particles from the solar wind. The 20th century saw major advancements in technology that allowed for more detailed observations of solar storms, such as the launch of the Solar Maximum mission in 1980, which studied the activity of the Sun during its solar maximum phase. While in 1997, the Advanced Composition Explorer was launched to measure the properties of the solar wind and the particles emitted during solar flares. Solar storms can be dangerous for astronauts and spacecraft. When a solar storm occurs, it can release high-energy particles that can damage electronics and harm living organisms. Astronauts who are outside of the protective shield of Earth's atmosphere are particularly vulnerable to these particles. But the thing about solar storms is that it just doesn't affect the Earth. They can also have a significant impact on other planets in the solar system. Recently, there have been preparations in the event that a solar storm could potentially have a significant impact on Earth. In 2011, the United States National Science and Technology Council released a report on the National Space Weather Strategy that outlined steps to improve the country's ability to predict and respond to solar storms. Some of these steps include improving the monitoring and forecasting of solar activity, developing better models of the Sun-Earth system, and strengthening communication and coordination between different agencies and organizations involved in space, weather research, and response. Other countries and international organizations have also taken similar steps to prepare for the potential impact of solar storms. But predicting the timing and severity of solar storms is still a challenging task. Hopefully, they will find ways to prevent these solar storms from affecting our satellites. Hey, did you click that red subscribe button with the bell yet? Follow us so we can discover more amazing scientific events and unravel the mysteries from around the globe. However, studying these solar storms can help us better understand the sun itself. By observing solar storms and their effects on Earth and other planets, scientists can learn more about the sun's magnetic field, its structure, and its behavior over time. This information can be used to predict future solar storms and improve our ability to prepare for and mitigate their effects. Various efforts are made to prepare for the potential impact of solar storms on Earth, such as improving early warning systems, developing technology to better understand and predict solar activity, and improving the resilience of critical infrastructure such as power grids. These efforts have been effective to some extent, as they have allowed for more accurate forecasting and better preparation, but they are not foolproof. Large-scale solar storms can still cause significant damage to infrastructure and disrupt communication networks, which can have wide-ranging impacts on daily life. Ongoing research and investment in preparation efforts will be important in mitigating the potential impacts of solar storms on Earth. Solar storms are a fascinating and powerful phenomenon that plays a significant role in shaping the space weather of our solar system. They can cause a wide range of effects, from beautiful auroras to serious disruptions in our communication systems and power grids. As amazing as they sound, extreme solar storms have the potential to burn the Earth in mere seconds and cause significant damage to our technology-dependent society. While the likelihood of such an event occurring is relatively low, the potential consequences are severe enough to warrant ongoing research and preparation. Studying solar storms and their impact on planets around them is essential to understanding the nature of our solar system and our place within it. What are your thoughts on these spectacular space weather phenomenon? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that red subscribe button and give us a thumbs up so we can make more videos in discovering scientific facts and mysteries from around the globe to outer space. You can check out our previous videos on 5 of the biggest and meanest black holes and the Antarctica mysteries. We're mindful moments dedicated to exploring the captivating realm of science, technology, conspiracies, and the universe. See you again in the next video.